guys, welcome to volume 9 of our piano tutorial 71454. All right, I always want to omit that. All right, so it's 71454. All right, so I'm going to, so today is a very lovely wash. Hello guys and welcome back to our the volume. Hello guys and welcome back to volume 9 of our 71454 right series. All right, so today I'm going to be teaching you something nice. Okay, so I'm going to start with the right and the left. The left you already know, it is something that I had played before, right? So it's like this is our C major, C sharp major, C. So it's 5 5 1 5 1 5 1. You can add 3 there. 1. You can add 3. 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 5 4 4 4 4 1 4 4 5 4 4 4 1 1 5 1. All right. So when you do that, you play something like so. So it's 3 3 2 1 3 3 2 1 7 6 6 1 6 1 6 1 4 4 4 5 4 4 5 3 7 7 7 2 7 1 6. All right, so I do it slowly. Four, six, 5, 7, 7, 7, 2, 7, 1, 6. All right, guys. So easy. 5 and 4. That's good, guys. All right, please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.